Yes, sir.
Please go.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. Right.
क्या नाम है आपका?
My name is Nurul Kamar.
What does it mean?
Moonlight. It's an Arabic word. Nurul and Kamar. Kamar is
Moonlight.
right.
Very nice.
Very good. And you are from Bihar.
Yes, sir.
And you studied in Jamia Millia Mislia?
Yes, sir.
And then SRCC.
Yes.
Okay. Tell us what happened in Jamia Millia.
So there were some protests going on against the Citizenship Amendment Act. It turned somewhat violent, and police had to resort to control the violence.
Was there some violence from the students or from the police?
I think there must have been some violence from the protesters. There may be genuine protesters or some miscreants among the protesters. After that, police had to resort to force to control the situation to maintain the
violence.
And do you support the police entering the library and resorting to the kind of violence they did? Well, you must be following this debate in media. What is your feeling? Truthfully, honestly.
Sir, India is sovereign country and police is the representative of a state. It has right to enter any part of country, but it should respect the autonomy of institutions. If it turns violent and if it questions the integrity of India and law and order situation, police can enter it. Apart from that, commenting sitting here is easy, but when it comes to maintaining law and order on the ground, it's difficult to take a call.
You're from Bihar.
Yes, sir.
What are the strengths of Bihar? Strengths.
Strength. Its people are very accommodating.
One. Next.
Second, people are
Accommodating in what sense?
so there is no much discrimination among them.
I'm not very sure, but please move to the next.
Second, people of Bihar are hardworking and
Yet it is the poorest state in the country.
yes, sir.
Next strength.
Apart from that, it is the cultural hub of India. Most of the religions owe some origin to Bihar. Apart from that, it has produced great leaders in Ashok and Bimbisar and all.
Okay, okay. Do you have anything else to add? One more.
Apart from that, I'm not sure.
Okay, okay. You have done commerce and
Yes, sir.
accountancy.
Yes, sir.
Do you know the system of accounting followed in the government in India
Yes, sir.
and by the private companies?
Yes.
What is the difference?
So government follows the cash-based accounting. When the cash comes or when it is spent, then only government records it. And private sector operates on accrual basis. When the expense happens or when the revenue accrues, they record it.
There are some technical terms which
Accrual accounting and cash-based accounting.
single entry, double entry.
Yes.
These are also the correct terms.
Yes, sir.
Which one is better?
I think for more accurate recording, the double entry system is
Double
better.
entry system
Yes.
is better. So should government switch to double entry system from single entry, from cash based accounting?
So there are practical difficulties.
Like?
Suppose the accounts of the government are huge and it becomes difficult to record every transaction when it happens. There are many cases going on, so recording and reversing the entry would be difficult.
You know about sea water. We have sea around India,
Yes.
oceans,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
What are the names? Those oceans
Oceans.
around India.
So there is Arabian Sea, there is Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal.
So we have enough water, according to you.
Yes.
Now I have heard that they can change sea water to drinking water, right?
Yes.
And we are short of water.
Yes, ma'am.
So why don't we just put these requisite ships and change it and drink water. Is there a problem?
So, desalinization of ocean water involves cost. Apart from that, there are environmental concerns. When we desalinize water, there are many impurities which gets dumped in and around ocean. It has been observed in Saudi Arabia and UAE that where the desalination plant is operating, there are no much marine life there. Apart
Marine
from
life
that,
dies.
yes, ma'am.
That's what they've seen.
Yes, ma'am.
But you know, I know about a ship which is in the Pacific Ocean near Japan, which is owned by America, and all their forces, which are very big in number, are drinking seawater changed into drinking water. So they didn't have any problem. Japan is right across.
So, ma'am, it's a secluded place. There may not be that much human. They may not require that much water than serving the entire country.
Okay, doesn't matter, but we can try it out because we are falling short of groundwater, we are falling short of drinking water, so we can try the seawater.
Yes, ma'am, we can try, but apart from that, there appears some vested interest. If we will start desalinizing water, even if we will be discovering another source of water, say ground water level improves, it will be difficult to dismantle those infrastructure.
Okay, so have you heard of solar energy as an alternative use of energy? Like we have these normal energy, the electrical supplies and others.
Yes, ma'am.
How is solar energy to be used? Have you heard of such a thing?
Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry, ma'am.
Solar energy.
Solar sun से आता है ना,
Yes,
sun
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
से energy बनाते हैं. So have you seen any?
Solar energy is a renewable form of energy.
Yes.
So India is a country half under the tropic and under the tropics. So
Okay.
India has a huge potential, and India has also initiated the International Solar Alliance, is developing that. Apart from that, there are some challenges. India is not able to manufacture that much so photovoltaic cells to operate, and 90% of it is being imported. So there are issues.
Problem. But
in that.
have you seen a solar plant on a roof? On my roof, your roof, someone else's roof, solar, we heat water. You haven't?
It is gaining ground in commercial complexes, but it is not taking traction in the
Have
household
you
sector.
heard of a solar cooker?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So have you seen one, heard one?
So I have heard about it, but I have not
You have
seen
not
it.
seen. उसमें
No.
तो सारा खाना बन जाता है. उसमें 4 डब्बे होते हैं और
बड़ा
एक
tasty होता है।
बड़ा डब्बा होता है.
बहुत tasty।
उसमें मीट
Time
भी बन
consuming
जाता
होता
है
है।
और सब्जी भी बन
इस्तेमाल
जाती है.
करके छोड़ सके।
It's better to use it. I mean, you can try. Suppose you are a bachelor. I'm just imagining. Then उसको अपने छत में या आंगन में जहाँ भी आप रहते हैं रख दीजिए. शाम को घर आइए सब cooked. चलता नहीं उसमें.
Okay.
It doesn't burn. Doesn't matter. Tell me about the name of some countries around the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean तो बहुत बड़ा है.
Yes.
प्रशांत महासागर. Some countries.
So in Asia we have China, Russia, Philippines, Japan, South Korea, North Korea, and in North America, Canada, US, and Mexico, and in South America we have Peru and Colombia.
So you have lots of them.
Yes.
So what is what is the shape of ocean navigation? Are we still traveling by ship in the ocean? We go miles and miles. Are we going by ship
Yes, ma'am.
or we are going by air?
So goods are being transported mainly by ship, and the humans travel by
Air.
prefer air.
Air is cheaper. Air is much cheaper. These days, if you go from Bangalore to Delhi, it's hardly 2,500 rupees.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you can go.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, sir.
No, GST into the rupees.
GST.
GST, because commerce के है ना ये, accounting के नहीं है.
मालूम होगा?
Mr. Noorul Qamar,
Yes, ma'am.
you said it's a moonlight, huh?
Yes.
What is Rashki Qamar?
Sorry, sir.
Rashki Qamar.
I'm not aware.
There is a song, very famous
Very
song.
famous song.
Yes.
Rashki Qamar.
What is rashk? उर्दू लफ्ज रश आपने उर्दू पढ़ी है?
Yes.
रश क्या होता है?
I do not know, sir.
Doesn't-
Sorry.
Very simple word. That's too bad.
Envy.
Yeah.
Anyway, okay.
Recently, there was a statement by one of the senior lawyers that the NPA in banks
Yes.
is mostly because of the Supreme Court order on 2G and coal scam. Do you agree? Do you disagree? And why?
So Supreme Court order on coal and 2G scam may relate to those sectors only. So apart from that, there are many sectors which are
We are talking about NPAs related to these
related to these two sectors.
communication, the telecom sector as well as coal sector.
In coal sector, since I am working in the bank, I know that there are many challenges apart from the cancellation of coal blocks. There are environmental clearances.
So that is a
issues.
different issue. We are talking about whether the statement made has any relevance, any reality, close to reality, or it is just a statement.
It has
responsible
a
statement.
it has reality, but it does not capture the entire.
I'm not saying
prospects
that.
of it.
If it has
some-
reality, what is the percentage? What is the extent of that?
It's difficult to quantify it. Maybe 50%.
Now coming to the recent decision of the Supreme Court on telecom, AGR. AGR, you know what is that?
Yes,
Huh? What is that?
aggregate revenue.
What is that controversy?
So there are two different positions taken by the government and the telecom players. Telecom players are of the view that we should be giving a ADR based on only the revenue which we generate using the licenses. So on the other hand, government is asking for all the share in all the revenue, be it interest or some other income. So there are differences in that. So according to the government, it comes higher, and according to them, it comes lower. There were some litigations because of that. The telecoms
The
players
Supreme
have
Court
not-
has made some order.
Yes, sir.
Now what will be impact of that order? People say that this Supreme Court again is going to create NPAs because most of the telecom companies will be closed.
Since I came from bank background, I understand that Supreme Court needs to go by the law. So according to law, I
The
think
industry
it's-
will be closed. I mean, we are not saying Supreme Court are not going by law. Similarly, in cancelling that also, the Supreme Court might have done according to law. In this case, Supreme Court could have left to government to find a solution to this, rather than saying by this date you finish, you spend, you submit all the pay all the money.
So in this case, I think the government has the responsibility to change the law so that Supreme Court could decide based on the law.
But Supreme Court could have, under the law, also could have said, this is a situation, we feel that they must pay, let the government decide the conditions under which they can pay. It is not, Supreme Court is not bound by, for fixing a date, particular date for this. Anyways, coming to Indian Companies Act. Recently there was a change in the CSR law.
Yes, sir.
It was made penal.
Yes, sir.
Penal provisions
Yes.
made for not complying with the CSR law.
Yes, sir.
What is CSR law?
So CSR law stands for Corporate Social Responsibility. We believe that corporate, apart from its commercial responsibility to the nation, also have social responsibility. Since it takes resources from the society, it
That's
must
right,
be
that's right. That's understood.
Yes.
But is it it is justified to have penal provisions for if some company fails to comply with the CSR provisions?
I think it's not justified. The government is looking to revise it in
But
budget speech too.
they did go for penal provision in the beginning. Now they are considering to take it
So
to withdraw it, but they did do that.
So based on the industry estimates, the industry comments, the government is considering to revise.
No,
that.
why they did at all go for it?
Sir, the problem is that the many of the companies which were eligible to spend the money, they have not even constituted the CSR committee, and the government wanted to ensure that they
To put them behind bars. That is the solution.
Sorry, sir.
Coming to GST.
Yes, sir.
GST collection is going down.
Yes, sir.
So what do you think has gone wrong with it? don't you think that GST, by GST you have the federal structure has been converted into unitary structure and the collection is also low? What is the problem overall? Can you tell me?
So it's indirect tax reform is a big reform. It was pending for more than
So
2
those
decades.
things we know. Come to the point.
There are some issues. There is some issue in technical GST and network, and
What is that issue?
so the main problem right now is that we are not able to match the credit with the payment. So when one trader is claiming that they have bought the good and they are claiming that credit, we do not know whether we have received that GST or not. So we are not able to match those.
The IT age, why should it take so much of time?
So
There is something
the government is
seriously wrong,
working
isn't
on
it?
that.
So do you think it is because of this collection is going down?
So one of the aspects is this. Apart from that, government is rationalizing the tax structure, and it has been noticed that in most of the GST council decisions, the rate are coming down. Government is not raising the rates on any of the products.
That will
except
further
few.
reduce the collection.
So
That will further reduce the collection. The question is why collection is going down?
So the government is trying to increase the base. So earlier we have some people are paying the taxes and these are high
Okay,
tax
now
and
leave
base
this
effect
issue.
is low.
Answer the other one. Will it impinge on the or harm the federal character of the country? Because all collection GST is being done centrally, isn't it?
So GST law was amended with the concurrence of 50% of the
No,
states.
that's not the issue. Issue is whether, in your opinion, it will harm the federal character of the country.
I don't think it will harm the federal
Why?
since the states and the center have aggregated their powers, and they both of them are having powers to change it. So if states will not agree, the center will not able to take any decisions in the GST council.
You know, President Trump is going to visit India next
Yes.
few days. What will be the major issues India and America would be discussing?
So there are some strategic issues and there are some trade issues. The burning
Trade,
issue.
there some problems are there already.
Yeah.
They said they will not sign a trade deal.
Yes, the major part is our trade issue with US. We are having trade surplus with US, and
How much trade do we have?
so it's
Bilateral trade between them.
bilateral trade is more than 100 billion, and we have around 30 billion of surplus. I'm not sure about the exact number. It's around 30 billion of surplus.
142 billion bilateral trade we have.
Okay, only 42 billion.
140.
Huh?
142.
42.
Only 42.
No, 140.
140.
Okay.
More than that. 142 points up.
Okay. So the US have withdrawn the GSP status from India, and recently it has also labeled India as a developed country from developing country, so that it could
So are
levy
we a
the-
developed nation or we a developing nation? What are we? Tell us.
if
We claim that we are a power in the region, not region, global power. We have ambitions, we have a big army, we are very, our economic growth is 6%, which has come down at the moment, but they say the fundamentals are strong.
so
we'll go
India
up further.
is an emerging superpower.
Emerging superpower, and then why we want to have this preferential trade with
So we have a huge GDP, 2.7 trillion in 2018, but the per capita, since we have a huge population of 1.31 billion people, so the per capita GDP is low, and there are poverty around 24%.
So therefore, America should continue to give us this preferential trade.
Yes, sir. According to Indian stand, it should give, but they have adopted their own standard based on which they are going to give.
What is your take?
I believe the US president is adopting America First policy. It is correct to their interest, but for the globalized economy, I think it will hurt.
For globalized economy?
So at the global level, the protectionist measure will hurt, but since the American president is
There's
following
another issue, you know, which Americans are talking with us, you know, Indo-Pacific
yes.
region. What is it?
So recently, the US have renamed its Asia Pacific Command as Indo-Pacific Command. So it shows the rising
What would they
influence.
want from India?
So there are diverging interests of India and US. US basically sees India as a counter to China. So US wants India to balance China in the Indo-Pacific region so that it could.
In what way?
So military and economic.
So should India, you know, join this military force along with other countries,
So in,
together with America or other, or should we remain?
so
What is
India.
India's policy? Tell me.
So India has always maintained the relationship with every country, as enumerated by our Prime Minister in Shangri-La Dialogue. Our view
vis-a-vis
of,
with China.
yes, our view of Indo-Pacific is not against any country. We want an inclusive Indo-Pacific region. Even China can be part of it. Our view is very different from the US standpoint.
So no military involvement.
So we have military involvement, but we are not against any country. So we want to involve military, but for the peace of the Indo-Pacific region.
Not any sea lanes, protection of sea
Yes.
lanes and other things. This is what you are saying.
Yes.
Thank you.